Hi, my name is Umar Qureshi and I'm sitting with two of the brightest young talents of the future. Coming right up with you, Bilal Amrohi and Pulkit Samrat for the movie O Teri. And all this is O Teri. Welcome, guys.
Thank you for having me.
Any O Teri moment in your life?
Otteri. I was in my third or fourth standard at that time, and this girl whom I liked was in third standard, 1 year younger to me. And so I took some money, udhar from my friends and all, and gifted her on Valentine's, and took udhar from the shopkeeper as well. Oh no! कि अरे 200 रुपए कल दे दूंगा या वो, and वो कल कभी आया नहीं. I never returned him the money. He came home, and I literally got a thrashing with the slippers and that वो कपड़े धोने वाला होता ना.
तू क्या बंदा है लोगों से मखा तूने
कसम से.
You're single, Bilal?
Have some coffee. Time for it.
we're happy I'm happy
Okay.
is where I stand.
Not married. I've heard you guys are completely crazy. Okay. I've heard the movie is crazy. But I heard you guys are like that in real life. Is that true?
What? We're crazy? What are you saying?
We I think we fit and imbibe the characters quite well.
Yeah,
We both are little mastikhor and little dumb and little innocent and little shararti. So yeah.
That's a very smart way of absolving yourself. A little dumb, little innocent.
little धीरे-धीरे करके.
Innocent है, माफ
हाँ,
करो.
innocent.
We're very innocent, yeah.
What does O Teri mean? Like, what everyone uses that term. What does it mean actually?
O Teri, basically, when something which is not expected and it happens,
Yeah.
sometimes for good, most of the times
Yeah.
for the bad.
Yeah.
And that is what the O Teri moment is all about. And it keeps happening with us in the film. Like we go with the best of the stories that we can find.
Yeah.
Like आज इस अदरक ने दूध पिया है और गणपति का रूप लिया है. These kind of stories we go to a boss with.
Okay.
And a boss is gorgeous, Sarah Jane Das. And we try to impress her. But the only thing we get in return is
Otteri. I think Otteri is the perfect exclamation for बबाल हो जाता है
Yeah.
या बफाट हो जाता है however you want to call it. तो Otteri हो गया बफाट बवाल होता है बफाट.
Yeah. Both of you play journalists in the movie. Any inspiration?
Right here in front of me, sir.
Yeah.
And no, I really do. It's
Yeah.
the way the story is, and I want to quote my producer Atul Bhai in saying this, that the way he put it is, the media right now, they are the social reformers. They are the ones that are holding the pen that is mightier than the sword. So yeah, it was a good role to take on as my first in hours. Yeah.
But
Journalist.
in the age of social media, you think that media is as relevant?
social media. Again,
Yeah.
media is definitely.
Social media, you're also media. You're also media.
We are also media, but we are a part of media anyways.
Yeah.
I've just barely got onto Twitter, so that's my first
Yeah.
social media platform. But the communication that media can get and the reach that they have is far greater than
Yeah.
what anyone else can attempt.
Yeah.
But some things that you would say would make more sense and would be more relevant to people than what a common man would say, because they would have more weightage, more experience, and more analysis on it. So I think media has got that power to change the world, and that is what we're trying to do in this film.
Yeah.
Not on a very serious basis, because otherwise we would have made this kind of film long back.
Thank God there are no journalists like you in real life. Right?
so actually the thing is, these two boys in the movie, they're so innocent, they're so dumb, they're sweet boys, and they want to get far ahead in life, and they're trying to unravel so many scams and so many. They keep getting themselves into these potholes of.
They don't know they're dumb.
Yeah.
Oh.
And the
don't
beautiful, like I've said it before, so the growth of these actors, the growth of these characters is really nice to see them becoming heroic towards the end.
Yeah. You know, just a couple of years ago, everyone said, where are the actors? Where are the actors? Where are the smart, young, good-looking heroes? We need them. And suddenly, like, you have a lot of other people. You have your classmates, right? With Jackie Badnani,
yes.
Ranveer, Arjun, Harman, and all your movies are releasing on the same day. So suddenly there's a glut of new guys and all doing well
Yeah.
and competing.
I think once the guests all go inside, I think Jackie, Harman, Pulkit and I should hang outside and be like, "Acha, kaisa gaya?"
Yeah, that's what we're going to do.
Because I mean, multiplexes. There are 6 screens with 3 of us coming on the same Friday.
Yeah.
There's plenty of space, and let's help each other out.
Yeah. And is Ranveer as crazy
Ranveer
He portrays himself.
Ranveer is my school friend, and he's not crazy. He's full of energy. He's like a ball of energy, and he's so much fun to watch. Right since school, he's been my school's head boy. So he's quite the showman.
Yeah, head boy, huh?
Yeah, he was the head boy of our school.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Which school was this?
Learners Academy. Students like me came out of there.
You had a very noticeable role in Jai Ho. Like that's a
I'm
very
glad it got noticed.
that's a very difficult thing to do in a Salman Khan movie. How did you manage
Yeah,
that?
that's what I'm saying. I'm glad it got noticed because the first thing that, if at all there was a second thought on the thing, कि यार ये करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए. The simple thing is who's going to look at you apart from Bhai? He's just all over the film and he does it effortlessly.
Yeah.
You just can't see anything else. And that, if you get noticed, I think it's a great thing. And it was basically Bhai wanted me to do it, and I went ahead and did it. So it was more of a learning experience for me because I never had an opportunity to go and assist on the set because I was learning all my work on the field while working as an actor. So when I went there, I got this opportunity to actually study him. And if you get to study Salman Khan, what else do you want? He actually taught me how to do action in front of camera. So who better than him to do that? Yeah.
True.
So I'm just waiting for a nice action script to come across.
Yeah. You also known Salman since you were a kid, right?
Yeah, I've grown up in this family. So for me, I've also assisted Atul Bhai since his first directorial debut, Dil Ne Jise Apna Kaha. So I've always been at the back of the camera and enjoyed these great stalwarts act. My first movie as an assistant was with JP Datta sir during LOC. So my first encounter it was not with just one actor, it had 32 actors in it. From Sanjay Dutt sir to Sunil Anna sir to everyone. So it was a big ensemble. So I've seen the back of the backside of the camera and it was intriguing.
You guys are gym rats.
We try to stay fit. That's the most of it. We're not, as you can see, none of us are big mutt. You know those.
Yeah.
Let's kick some. We are. Love us, girls. Please. So, we're not. Yeah, we're fit.
You made a comfortable shift from television onto the big screen. Like, how was the shift for you? Comfortable?
I never did anything. It was only the people who liked me in television, then the people who believed that I can do films, and they got me into films. It's just that wherever people want me to entertain them, I'll entertain them. And I'm happy they're liking me so far. So it just makes me push myself a little more. कि नहीं यार, पिछले से थोड़ा better होना चाहिए, अब और better होना चाहिए. So I choose my roles as well accordingly.
Yeah. And for you, you knew you were going to do movies right from the beginning.
I always wanted to be an actor. I was just waiting my turn, and finally I got it.
But how hard did you have to struggle?
The myth of the industry kids getting it easy, that is a myth.
It's a myth.
I've waited far too long. I've always wanted to be an actor. But I think once you prove yourself, I think I went through the gambit and I was then eventually chosen to do this role. So I don't think, it's a tough, for an outsider and insider to get into the lines.
It's never easy.
It's never easy.
It's not that easy. Because I've seen him working so hard. If it's so easy for a kid from the industry to come and just do whatever he can do in the front of the camera. Firstly, it's difficult to stand in front of the camera and only just stand with confidence. It's very difficult to do. Not everybody can do it. So even if it's given on a platter, you have to earn that platter actually. It's up to you what you make out of it. And he's bruised his knees, he's broken his
We've both been through the
bones,
through the whole
everything.
We've beaten up ourselves.
Broken his heart.
Others' hearts.
You guys are gym rats.
We try to stay fit. That's the most of it. We're not, as you can see, none of us are big mutt. You know those. Let's kick some. We are. Love us, girls. Please. So, we're not. We're fit.
There's an article in today's papers that says that the gym is the new nightclub. That's where you get to meet girls, hot girls. True or false?
True. I can't elaborate.
You're so honest, yeah. You're so honest. No, it's true, definitely.
It's
That's why we have those sportswear and all that stuff, so you can match.
Can you not
things
see how
up.
much time you spent in the gym? yeah, so
Yeah.
it is the spot to find the ladies.
Fit
your-
ladies.
Fit ladies.
Fit ladies. Yeah.
And the trick is
All ladies.
in complimenting the ones who are not fit yet.
No, I love all ladies.
So when they become fit after 2 or 3 months, you are the ones whose shoulder they're gonna come and cry on. So that's the trick behind it. At
Thanks
least I
for-
follow
thanks
that.
for that
What
one.
about you?
I'll be the reason why they're crying on your shoulder.
We work in team like that.
It's a team play.
Like, what's the best advice anyone's ever given you?
My mom has always said, and that I really
Yeah.
follow, that fly high and stay grounded. So that is what I try to do. I just do work that
That's
takes me
walking
really
the
high.
tightrope, actually.
It's actually tough, but
It's
she's
tough.
given me. I think I have got
That's very
those
good
genes from
advice.
her, which keeps me grounded, and she's always that
Yeah.
earthing wire for me, keeps me corrected.
Grounded.
My father's always told me to be patient. And yeah, I think it's worked. I've been patient for far too long, and finally I'm very happy I got a launch from here. So,
And
patience,
the best advice Salman has given you?
hard work. Like Bhai said in his interview, I was partying too much. He did pull me up, and I have understood the value of hard work and what it takes to be
Yeah.
pleasing your audience. It takes a lot more than just what you see as glitz and glamour. That I understood.
And to you?
He literally threw the
Yeah.
fear of a Friday out of my system. Yeah. He was like, if hits and flops can happen to me,
Yeah.
even after whatever number of films that I've done. So you are nothing for that. Yeah. Why do you bother about a Friday? Just go ahead, do your work, and just leave the rest. Because
Yeah, be
you don't
consumed in
know
your
what's-
work, not in the aspects of the Friday box office results and all that. That's what he's really. That's how I think when we see him, that's how he functions. He's so involved in his work as opposed to what numbers are being hit that weekend,
Yeah.
which is great.
He's
Yeah.
24/7 just eating, breathing, sleeping films that he's doing.
He's completely involved in every aspect of O-Theory,
He's
right?
totally involved.
Yeah.
It started with him.
I don't think we can get luckier than saying Salman Khan Presents is how our movie begins. And we just shot with Salman Khan for the end role, baby.
It's crazy.
Beginning and end, you get to see Salman Khan. It can't get bigger.
Can't get bigger.
Yeah.
Any advice in the movie for today's youth? Because it's a very youth-oriented movie.
I think vote.
Yeah.
We're releasing the movie at a very relative time. Vote. It's very important for us to vote and make that difference. As opposed, we need to vote, and
Make the difference.
we do need to make the difference. I don't think we can just let it go and complain about it. We've complained for far too long,
Yeah.
and nothing's really happened. I think we need to take it upon ourselves to go ahead and vote.
Salman made a statement in the papers that you have the sincerity of Amir.
I just try to work hard. It's really sweet of him to say that.
And
But,
he said you have his looks.
I don't know, but maybe just a little vibe, the kind of... he basically connects to my... he says, I've got that innocence or that honesty on the face which he had during Maine Pyar Kiya and all those times. So I think that is what he connects to, and he sees what he saw in himself at that time. And I think it's a great thing, yeah. If it's... and it's also a big responsibility because you don't want to end up everybody saying कि यार अच्छा ऐसा बोला था इसके ये सलमान खान समझता था अपने आप को अभी क्या कर रहा है so I want that 20-25 years of body of work to give the to actually prove that thing कि I cannot prove it in 1 or 2 films I need those many body of work so I need those many films for that so I hope that after 25 years also he says the same.
Fantastic. God bless, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. You're single, Bilal?
Have some coffee. It's time for it.
We're happy. I'm happy.
Okay.
Is where I stand.
You're engaged, married.
Yeah. So my fiancée is basically Salman Bhai's Raki's sister, and that is how I happened to meet Salman Bhai.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that's about it.
Not married. Yet.
And fiancée, yeah.
Fiance.
We're both stepping into the line single. Don't worry. He's gonna. Yeah, but yeah, we're lovebirds.
Yeah.
You all can still love us.
Is this the toughest question or there are
Yeah,
more
I
tough
think this is the
ones
toughest
coming
question.
after
Now we've
this one?
skipped everything.
No, not.
The only question we don't know how to handle.
Now complete the sentence. Oh, teri.
Oh, teri beep.
Oh, teri attires much. That's what I want to say.
Oh, teri attires
Yeah.
much.
Guys, some quick fire questions
Yes.
for you. Yeah. Any oh teri moment in your life?
Getting this movie. Big Otteri moment for me, getting this movie. And finally, eventually getting to dance with Salman Bhai, my hero. I mean, I've grown up watching him.
For you?
I was in my third or fourth standard at that time, and this girl whom I liked was in third standard, 1 year younger to me. And so I took some money, udhar from my friends and all, and gifted her on Valentine's, and took udhar from the shopkeeper as well. कि अरे 200 रुपए कल दे दूंगा या वो, and वो कल कभी आया नहीं. I never returned him the money. He came home, and I literally got a thrashing with the slippers and that वो कपड़े धोने वाला होता है ना.
तू क्या बात कर रहा है?
कसम से बहुत मार पड़ी थी यार. That was I think one
That's
Otteri
real
moment
धुलाई.
because I am the one who opened the door for him.
धुलाई हो गई.
I
Wow.
was
Yeah. Passionate about?
entertaining people.
And you?
Movies. Movies is my
Movies,
passion. I love movies. I've always wanted to be
Yeah.
in the movies, finally.
A role you wish you were offered, suppose you were not offered oh teri, another role.
It's always been my dream to do Baghi.
I would have. I'm a great fan of Kamal Hassan sir's body work. I really admire it, and I think if there was something that I would love to do would be what he did in Sadma.
Bollywood's hottest actor?
Bilal Amroi.
Thank you.
Bollywood's hottest actor?
Pulkit Samrat. Finished.
Bollywood's hottest actress?
Alia, I love Alia. I love Pariniti. She's so talented. Priyanka Chopra is unbelievable. Deepika Padukone is phenomenal. I love them all, yeah.
Great. I'll also find Sonam.
Yeah.
Sonam.
A director you'd like to work with?
Love to work with Imtiaz Ali for sure because I love his work since
Yeah.
Socha Na Tha. I think that was his best film.
With everyone, I've just stepped my feet into this line. I'm hoping to
Yeah.
get work from everywhere.
What advice would you give Salman Khan?
What advice? I've been at the other end and taking advice from Bhai. So I don't think I can overstep that. I don't think I've reached the maturity level or any sensibility to give advice to Bhai.
And
What do we advise Salman
Yeah,
Khan?
you can't
You
advise
can't
Salman
advise him
Khan.
anything yet. But he's just complete. Yeah. It's not because he loves us and he supports
Oh,
us, but he's just he's something else.
Yeah.
He's got 4 hearts in him, not one, and that's a fact. He does. Atul Bhai keeps saying this that he always does work for somebody else.
He lives for
never
others.
had a
Yeah.
he never has a reason to do it for himself. And a person who's so selfless, what do you advise to him? He's a saint. He's actually a saint.
now complete the sentence. Oh teri.
Oh, teri beep.
Oh, teri attires much. That's what I want to say.
Oh, teri attires much.
Guys, looking forward to oh teri, and I'm sure it's going to rock. The
Thank you,
bromance
sir.
going to
Thank
rock.
you
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bilal. Thank you, Pulkit.
Thank you
and
so
all
much.
the best for the movie.
Thank you
really
so
a
much for
pleasure
having
coming
us here.
here.
And
Thank you so
thanks.
much.
This has been wonderful.
Thank you.